All right, team, so today we're going to count each shape and then color the graph using the key. So the first one says to color all of the hearts purple on the graph. So let's look at our little cupcake with our gingerbread man and see how many purple hearts there are. So I see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So I look down here and I'm going to color in how many boxes? Yeah, I'm going to color 6. So I'm going to start here and color 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Wow, those go all the way over. Very good. The next color is red. We're going to color the circles red. So let's count with me. How many do we see? 1, 2. I don't see any more. I think it's just 2. So here's the circle ones. We're just going to color 2 boxes. Next we have this little diamond shape, and these are yellow. So let's find those. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. 5 yellows. So that's almost as many as the purple hearts. So we'll color 5 boxes to match. Very good. Okay, let's do these green little shapes here. Let's count how many there are. 1, 2, and 3. Oh, good. That's almost just one more than the circles. Very good. Okay, so our last shape are the little stars, and we need to color those blue. So we're going to color all of those blue. 1, 2. Which shape are the stars tied with? Yeah, they're tied with the circles, boys and girls. Very good finishing your graph. So if we turn it on the back, guess what? We have more subtraction problems for the week. So finish your side with your subtraction problems and then do what your teacher would have you do next. Very good today.